Okay, subs of mine, and any of you unfortunate souls that just happened to pounced my garbage. It's important, and I may add, I'm nervous as hell right now. I'm not a phone op. I'm using a nice antenna, but I'm not a phone op. And I'm about to make a fool of myself because I have to publish whatever happens, even if I don't contact anybody. So, students, subs, unfortunate souls, let me lead you in prayer. I pray to the Lord of flesh and bone, leave me some to call my own. If I may, and if I might, make some kick-ass contacts tonight. 73.